Good morning. So here's our view from our room. Oh, the boys are outside. So nice. Lily's already got breakfast going. Our favorite potatoes. Some kielbasa to fry. Mark is eating his banana, and then Mark loves his bananas. Our breakfast is ready. Our usual stuff. Oh, Josh, no, get your hands out. We got our latte machine. And this is actually a really good idea for coffee too. Just the pouches. It's easier that way. Condensed milk. And then this actually stuff came here. This is pretty good actually. I tried this yesterday. And then vanilla bean. And you know I brought my chiboreke that I made at home. I just cut them up. I'll put them in the fridge and one of the guys would just come here and get it for us and warm it up. That way they're cut and good for kid sizes. Guys, look at our fridge. It is fully stocked. All right, we're going to the beach. We're gonna use our stroller as a wagon. That way it's easier to pull, and I'll just carry Mark. That lady's using a sled. Hey guys, that's a good idea. So there's our greenhouse in the middle. And we walk this way to the beach. The weather is beautiful. So here's ours. This is actually not mine. This is Jean's and Victoria's. I have a very pretty turquoise one, like that color right there. We'll just use ours tomorrow maybe or so. Yeah, no, it's okay. We got Mark's pool up and he's throwing sand inside. Yeah, we need a new pool. It's already getting nasty. The water is so warm. This is why I like sitting where the house side is. There's not that much people. There is, but not crazy as it is by condos. There's even some little seashells. This is fun. Now time to tan. So we're all inside and showered. We have some fish marinating that we're gonna grill on these planks right here. I'm just getting some potatoes in here ready to cook. Alright, we have some red potatoes and gotta garnish it to make it look pretty. These look so good. And some garnish for the fish, of course, because we're so fancy. And dinner is ready. Look at our pretty plates too. These are awesome. Okay, here, push it, Joshie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my wife.
Wow, thanks. I can't see you.
Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday. Yeah, we love you. These are the best flowers that they got.
Nice. My birthday's actually tomorrow, guys. Thank you, honey.
These are the best flowers that they got.
Yeah, from the garden. From the garden. We're going back out to the beach. Yeah. Look how pretty. Oleg is gonna go rock mark to sleep for a little bit. He's so tired. Oleg is back, Mark is sleeping. Let me see him. Yeah, he'll watch the sunset. Oh, put the hood up so he doesn't get wet. And it's some coffee o'clock with this good stuff. Good morning, my friends. Yes, it is my birthday today. I'm starting my birthday morning with folding some laundry for everyone. This is just our swim stuff from yesterday.
Good morning. It is Julie's birthday. She is chopping up potatoes.
Yeah, I gotta feed my crowd, you know. I was making bacon too.
I'm reheating bacon.
Yeah.
Julie, it's your birthday. What do you want to do for your birthday?
Just eat breakfast and be on the beach. And be with all you guys.
Sounds like a good birthday to me.
Yeah. Got our breakfast. Everything looks so good.
Looks delicious.
The
Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank
Love
you, thank you. Cutting watermelon for the beach. A lot more people today since it's July 4th. So we're in for lunch, and this is what the guys made, the little mini burgers that we got at Sam's. They were so good, actually, too. Oh yeah, guys, this is Wagyu, guys, too. Good stuff. Got our iced coffees, and just chilling.
Because we're playing the Russian.
Babe, did you win?
No.
He
set me up.
Put chest, put chest.
It is so nice outside.
Is that a firework?
Eric, is that your new fishing pole? Wow, it's so nice because we left ours at home. It's beautiful out.
I was like, please just give me the bone.
This is where we're grilling.
Oh, geez.
The girls are at Tipa getting wet.
This is a rich steak. That's some June steaks.
Gotta keep up with Oleg, my friend.
Yeah, I don't know.
He likes tomahawks. He says that's the only thing
I don't
he
know.
eats. So
Oh,
make him happy.
I eat the
Wife's
bone.
birthday.
I eat the bone.
Well, look, are you supervising?
The supervisor.
Someone else.
Now, what do we have? Steak on there?
Get steak, but just threw them on there.
Nice.
Just get seasoned.
Eric got himself a new fishing pole, Eric. Eric, you happy? Turn on, buddy. I can't see your face. You happy? Yeah. Now you're like Didish Karura, huh? Catching a big fish.
So everyone's making dinner over there. These kids are playing. How fun. Then we got potatoes going. And then we made the big girls work. You know, if they want to eat, they gotta work. So we have Vienna doing cucumbers here. And the girls doing peppers. And Vanessa got tomatoes. Good job, girls.
Let's do it. Quick. Smile. Put your hand out, buddy.
So nice. We're just taking some family pictures. He's waiting on his wife. They're playing with the neighbor's dog.
That's a dog, though.
He's a big bag. This is a mini dog. His name is Jack. He's 5. But his name is Bob. He's a mini
Happy 4th of July.
Oh, look, our neighbor has a lime tree, guys. This is so cute. Setting the table. About to celebrate. Look at our tomahawk. So nice. And now Ivan's in the kitchen. This is Ivan's kitchen, guys. Subscribe. So it's getting cut, guys. Look at that bone. That looks so good.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah.
This is garlic butter. Nice. And we got some jalapeno poppers. Man, that looks good. Look at those nice potatoes. Thank you, Lily.
It's a jellyfish. It's a jellyfish.
And we're watching fireworks from our porch now. Wow, this is so nice. Dang, this is really nice. We have a really nice view.
Who's that, Johnny? Oh, you're in here? Where's James? You're in there, James?
All the kids are here. This is so fun. Bowling. Mark is a little worried. It's okay, Mark.
To be an American, I'm free. I love this land.
Still delayed.
Oh no. So, buddy. Good job. Oh, just so slow.
Say happy 4th of July!
Yeah, louder.
Look at this salmon cake Victoria's mom made. Just for us. Oh, let me show you guys. So good. Alright, we're gonna go blow up our fireworks that we bought from Costco. And then Gina and Victoria also got some more. Alright, we got a whole bunch.
Yeah, just closer to the water.
What do you want to do, mortars last or first? Yeah, mortars last.
And we got these fountains.
Hey, maybe save these last two for the grand finale.
Yeah.
Now do those and mortars last. Let's do these box.
Yeah, let's do this one first.
The box. Okay, take them out.